Okay guys, the moment of truth. Tilawan nato ning akong watermelon nga akong na-harvest kahapon. And I don't know, mo ni siyang giliki, nag-smile na ako. So, let's see what happened. Oh, si Mami Pingni, welcome back to my channel. Ibungaw ko. Kani. Okay, ato na ning Pikason. Mayon ta ni siya TAM-IS. Oh, yes. That's what it is. That's what it is. It's so red. And let me see. Humot kaayo. Ay, namiaw. Ay. Tilawan tani. And the seeds, I'm gonna keep the seeds for next year too. Namiaw eh. Super ka-TAM-IS. Well, I think the solution that I put, like the boron and is the Epsom salt and borax, which I did put applied them about 1.5 months ago. There it is. It works because the watermelon is so sweet and juicy. Habhab. It is very sweet. Takan kay sa gliso. Muni akong pamahawron. Bitaw nagkaon na may ganina og kanang itlog. Parisan sa bacon niya sandwich ba nga with bacon and egg niya. Gisumulan ko sa mantika sa bacon kay mo akong gigamit pagprito sa itlog. So I need something to take out that oil in my mouth to clean it out. So maghab-hab tanig watermelon. Ana, kay. Kalame. Yummy kay mga guys. It's so yummy. And today I'm gonna harvest most of the fruit because they're ready to harvest. So I'm gonna video it. I'm gonna get a video and then post it. Some of my watermelons are small because it's not enough water. I only depend on when it's raining from the rain. But after a while I had to give them water like every other day. So they get bigger, but it's too late. TAM-IS tayo. Kada ko sa akong mouth. Mag-wink-wink ta ani, muratag wink-wink ani, sige hab-hab. Well, the watermelon, after you harvest it, it stays like, you can just put it out there for 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks you can put it in somewhere cooler so it will last for a while. So mine, after I put it out there, like make it like para ba siya mo siko, murag sabi ko mo siko ba, so aron mo TAM-IS siya pag ayo. So like you have to let it stay outside so it gets sweeter, and after that for 2 weeks, and then after that you can put it somewhere cooler so it will stay longer, like it keeps longer. you cannot eat it all in one time, so you have to try to keep it fresh. So I will put it down in my basement because it gets cooler. But at night, kadag ko sliso oy. And then it will last down there for I think for a week or so, or I think it will last long for another 2 weeks. Kasawa sa akong baba, meron ikog oink KAKAON. So it's a sweet watermelon. Tigulang na oh. Tigulang na si Mami Ping. Kumuhab-hab, murag oink-oink. Guys. Sabi na si Manini diha. Kusog sa na siya kaay mo kaon. La, Manini. Hab-hab yun, Manini. Oh. See, that's one big piece of watermelon. I'm gonna put it inside my big mouth. Today I'm gonna go around my garden. Yesterday I harvested like a lot of my okra. I think it's like 30 okra, more than 30 okras that I harvested yesterday. So I will wait for another maybe 2 or 3 days because I love it when it's like a little bit longer. It's so meaty. But watermelon, grabe katamis oy. Ubos siya lang akong tiyan sa kahangol. Tigulang nagid ko ay mga salingan. Nya gilagom gid ko pag ayo oh. Masunog ko sa adlaw kay kada adlaw na ako gawa si Tus garden nya mangibot og sagbot. I always weed my garden, so instead of the weed getting bigger, the plant gets bigger and healthier if there's not a lot of weeds around it. Bustas good. Well, it's a good thing when you have a garden. It's really hard to do some gardening because you have to dig, you have to take care of it, you have to weed. But after that, you have something to enjoy, like eat some watermelon and other vegetables that you cannot find here around in the market because they don't sell it. They just sell some, but seldom. Kapit ko matukan. Gabinusaw man. Kada ko bagit sa baba. I'm gonna finish eating this one whole piece and then I'm gonna walk around outside so it melts like it's gonna not make my stomach upset. Yum. Okay, it's yummy and sweet and juicy. Super red. Maunang giliki siya kay it's really ripe. It's just enough ripe. It's not like overripe. See? If it's overripe, the middle part of this will be like dry already. This part here will get dry if it's overripe. This is just the right time to harvest. Well, I'm looking at all this other watermelon in my watermelon patch. Most of it are ready to get harvested. So, oh, excuse me. Itig-up yung kog dako sa kabusaw. So I'm gonna harvest that today. And then if I have the time, kasi tinamad akong mag-harvest na nung mga patatas kong iba. Kasi matanda na tayo. Kaya tapusin kong harvestin yung potatoes ko. I'm not sure if it's gonna be today or it's gonna be tomorrow, but I need to harvest it because they are ready to get harvested and the plants are all dead now. And then I will never able to find the potatoes under if the plants really dead. Lami. So today is cooler here. It's only like 70 something degrees and it's nice to be outside. Maybe do something else outside. Galapak-lapak ka nga kumbaba sa kabusaw. And this is, I never put any spray on my plant because I don't like those spray. If you can find some bugs, I pick them and put them in water. So I don't use the spray in any of my vegetables. Di na ko ka-storyas ka busog. Ang gabi nusaw. Itong gitan akong naong sa pagbinasok. Okay guys. Humana. Ang busaw giandar na pod. Thank you for watching while I'm eating and being so greedy and like wink wink. Eating the half of my watermelon. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And amping tang tanan. Please take care of each other. See you in my next video. Bye.